Hello, everyone. Are you ready to learn how to set up your Trust Wallet? Or what is a Trust Wallet? It is a phone app which allows you to purchase cryptocurrency using your debit card. Okay, so you can download the Trust Wallet from the Google Play Store on your phone, and it is a white. It's a white shield outlined in blue on a white background in the Play Store. We'll show you that as we move along. When you after you download it, you'll get a notice to create your wallet, and you click on create your wallet. The next thing you're going to get is back up your wallet. And what I want you to know is this is your wallet, and you want to keep it secure. Your wallet. What is your wallet? Remember that thing that you put in your purse, or you put in your back pocket, or you put in your breast pocket, or whatever pocket you may put your wallet in? It is yours. This is where you keep your money. This will be the place where you keep your cryptocurrency. So it is your wallet, and you want to keep it secure. So when we say back up your wallet, I'm going to show you what that's all about. You're going to click OK here, and then click continue. Once you continue, again, we back up our wallet. And what backing up your wallet is writing down your recovery phrase. Now, I say write it down because you're going to put it somewhere and keep a copy of it. You can also take a picture of it. You can, screen print it. Screen capture it. Sorry, but you want to copy this list down in order, because you're going to have to come back to it as we go forward. Because in order to complete setting up your wallet, you must click on them in order. So stop everything as you complete this and write it down, and then when you go to the next screen, you're gonna click on the words in order. They'll drop in this box in order, and when you complete it, it'll say continue, and then you'll get this done with a thumbs up, and your wallet is successfully created. And it won't be created until you have done this in the correct order. Very important, this recovery phrase, because this is a way that if you lose your phone, if you break your phone, you'll be able to move your wallet to another device. Okay? And you really want to be able to do that, especially if you get to the point where you're making a lot of money, or you're receiving a lot of money in cryptocurrency. So, after you created your wallet, you'll see a token list. And basically, this is the basic token list that you'll see when you first get started: Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Binance Coin. Okay? Trust Wallet is a Binance wallet. So this is this token that you start with. And on your device, on your phone, if it's Android, you'll see a plus sign. If it is a Apple, then you'll get a circle. Anyway, when you click on it, what it'll do is give you a token list. So you choose the tokens that you want to work with. And right now we're going to talk about working with Tron. So this is how you're going to add Tron to your token list, is by click on the plus, going down the list until you find Tron. Click on Tron, it'll turn green, and then you can go back to your token list, and it'll be there for you to actually use. So now you're going to click on Tron, and of course you can see a back arrow, and then you see this where it says buy Tron. And since that's what we're doing, is buying Tron with your Trust Wallet, this is where you actually want to be. Now, when you first click on it, you want to see $250. That's not necessarily what you want to buy. It could be, but not necessarily. The minimum you can buy is $50. So you're going to, exit out of that, bring it down to 0, and then put in $50. And again, that's the minimum that you can purchase in your Trust Wallet. So you're going to put in 50, continue, click on continue, and then it gives you your order summary here, total US dollars, and then you're going to put in your information. Now, the one thing you have to do when you are going into any of these, they're third-party apps or additions to the Trust Wallet. They're third-party, so you're buying it from someone else, and they need to know who you are. Just like a bank would need to know who you are if you're going in to do some business with them. So you're getting ready to buy something that is, no matter what, when they allow you to purchase it, it's yours. So they're going to ask you for information, and you're going to give them information: driver's license, passport, picture yourself, whatever they're asking you for, so they can verify who you are. And that's necessary to just move forward. I mean, if someone was going to spend money with you, and you would want to know who they are, especially if they're getting ready to use a debit card. In the U.S., you can only use debit cards. In other countries, you may use credit cards, depending upon the countries that you're dealing with. But in the U.S., it's debit card. So now that you've given them your information, and I mean all of your, basically the card information, and then you click on next, and you make your purchase. It may take a few minutes to clear once you've done all the things they've asked you to do. And then once you received it, you will receive a message, and then you would want to send your Tron somewhere else. So of course you want to verify who you are, put in your information, and then make your purchase. Now wait for the receipt. You receive it, and now you want to send it somewhere else because you are buying it to do some other things with it. So wherever you're going to send it to, this is the address that you're going to send your Tron to within here. And then you're going to, if you want to send in your max Tron, max amount, and you click on max, that means all of the Tron that you have in your wallet, you want to send it. So you're going to put the address here, and then max, and whatever Tron you have purchased, that it will put all of it in this box right here. And then of course you would click continue and make that happen. So let's say TRONLINK is where you want to send it to. When you go into your TRONLINK, your name is here, your Tron address is here. Now before we even get to this part, we must have downloaded it or actually added it to our because it is a Google extension, so we want to add it to our bar, and this is what it'll look like for the TRONLINK. There's also a Tron Wallet, which is a phone app also, which you can also have it on your phone. We'll show you that also. But it has, for TRONLINK, you must use Google Chrome, and it is an extension in Google Chrome. And after you've added it to your Google Chrome extension, this is what it'll look like on your, when you click on it on your Google Chrome, in your Google Chrome. It'll open up to here. You see Tron, WTX, BTC, USD. And the only thing that really works right now in the TRONLINK is the Tron, okay? And the rest of it is coming at this time. It is not there yet. So eventually, you may even be able to trade, have BTC and then trade it for Tron. That's eventually, not yet today. Okay. Now, in your Tron wallet, which is on your phone, and this is what that looks, what it would look like, is similar to this right here. So it's your Tron wallet on your phone, and then on your phone, it'll look similar to the TRONLINK. well, excuse me, Trust Wallet, from how to transfer from your transfer Tron from your Trust Wallet to your TRONLINK. Again, your address for your TRONLINK is here. The picture on your extension in your extension bar is here. And now, I remember I told you about the third-party providers. Those third-party providers for other crypto, well, a couple of those third-party providers are Simplex, and another one is MoonPay. The Simplex is where you would buy your Tron from. MoonPay is if you were buying Bitcoin and maybe some other coins, Ethereum or whatever. Anyway, whenever you choose a coin that you want to purchase, what is good about Trust Wallet is that it allows you to actually use your debit card to purchase different cryptocurrencies, and each one of them will take you to a third-party provider to purchase it from. And it may take just a couple of minutes for it to load into your Trust Wallet. Be patient; it is coming. Okay. Just so you know, that is how it all works. It is a good place to be, and this is an easy way to purchase cryptocurrency using your debit card. Easy and quick. You don't have to wait, purchase it and wait for days for it to clear. It actually clears within a short period of time in most instances. And it will tell you when you need to give more information than to get started with another provider. Okay? And that's it. That's how you get started using your Trust Wallet and using your Trust Wallet to buy Tron. Thank you. Have a great day, and hey, have fun using your cryptocurrency and working with your cryptocurrency.